Is it on? Is it recording? You're good! Woo! Day one of solution problem solving.
What if you went sticky mount right to the front of that and then just drilled a hole through it?
And double secured it?
Yeah.
I was thinking that off the get-go, but...
Okay, so what we're doing today, Curtis bought a new camera. Where's that?
Right here. I'll
Wait.
package it.
Pull it out, pull it up, pull it up.
Okay, we'll unpackage it. It's like Christmas every time we open it.
Boom! Fusion. Curtis went down, bought a Fusion, and we went to the skate park yesterday, which you'll see those clips. Curtis was throwing down on this bike. It was pretty epic. But today we said, let's take it one step further, and we're gonna put the Fusion, well the goal is to put the Fusion onto the drone. So what we're thinking is taking the lens cap, flipping it upside down, like that, and then somehow attaching the Fusion like so. And then I'll follow Curtis through the skate park, and it should be pretty crazy. I don't know if anyone's ever put a Fusion on a drone before, but
we're gonna try. So this is what we've determined is gonna be the key. Get one of these, grind off the whole lower half so that this will actually fit in snug. So those two posts, actually it's gonna be these two, will be grinded off so they fit, slide into there, and then it'll go all the way up and pinch, which hopefully makes it so it's solid instead of sway. Find out. So that looks about half, people?
yeah, damn, good.
See if that works.
Good. How solid does that feel?
Awesome.
Dude, that's like solid. Guys, I think we may have just done it. I wonder how shaky that's gonna be.
So am I gonna have to hold this to have you take off?
Mm-hmm. But what I'm thinking is if we had chopsticks and we could run it just down.
Yeah.
It would create such...
You hold that?
Guys, this is what filmmaking is all about. Letting your creativity flow and like having an idea, getting with your buddies and like figuring out a solution. If this works, I'm gonna be so impressed.
It's gonna work.
It's gonna work. Dude, I'm so happy with that.
Dude, feel how much better that is.
Dude, feel that. We did it!
Yeah, thanks for the chopsticks!
Fusion on a Phantom 4. Holy shit.
And some chopsticks and electrical tape. And one little hole.
Yeah, look how good it looks. Dude, we can make our own rigs to attach Fusions onto drones.
Business idea.
Let's go put it to use. Alright, we made it. We're at the skate park. We're gonna try to put the Fusion onto the drone. I'm a little bit worried about the weight ratio. I don't know. Should we fly it over grass first? Yeah, that's probably smart. Dude, this is gonna be epic!
Does it do
yeah,
it?
it's doing it. It's a full send. Yeah, because it picks everything under, so we're just gonna have to have the keyframes face down the whole time. But bro, that is insane.
At least I got a helmet on.
That's one way
Hey,
to
we're
look at
being
it.
safe. Oh, it's warming up. It's too cold. And you're at 3/4 battery. It says 54. I got 2 more. Ready to go. Oh, you ready? Dude, it says it's ready. Wait, stand right here, right here.
There's a tree right there.
All right, let me get the camera on you. I want to see what this thing does.
Getting away from trees, man.
You look perfectly normal.
Right?
Standing in the middle of a field with a helmet on, you're fine.
Well, not only that, we got here to record on this, so there is that.
All right, we ready?
So, 3, 2.
Woo!
Perfect.
Dude, that was a great catch.
Okay, that may have not worked. That was scary.
Yeah.
That was like, whoa, whoa.
It's like, what? And then by the time it would
So as soon as that weight starts
to
doing this, then it just starts to exaggerate.
Which I think is taking a lot of the power out of the lift.
Yeah, it is. All your lift is trying to counterbalance it.
Dude, that was scary. I need to watch that on camera real quick.
Lateral, bilateral support with integrated design.
You made that sound smart. Curtis, if this works, you ready to throw down?
Oh yeah. Always ready.
Let's see. Oh yeah. Dude, that has to work. I mean, that's heavy though. You ready, Curtis?
Oh yeah.
I like playing with a few $1,000s worth of shit, hoping it all works out.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous. Aircraft warming up. Woo! It is windy and cold. Oh,
Well, let's get that hurrying up. Huh?
yeah, weatherman lied.
When don't that?
All right, we are ready to go. Are you ready? You ready to catch it? 3, 2, 1. It's working! It doesn't like it.
Well, the wind's not helping.
Where's Leo when we need him? Barking at it, chasing it.
Look at that shake. Whoa. You have to give it a like area to go. See how I'm giving a little direction? If I let go, look how bad it shakes. Is it recording right now?
Yeah.
Pull it up on your phone. Oh, motor overload. Oh shit. Motor overload! Hold it! Hold it! Shut it down! Oh, that was scary. I don't know if I gave you guys a close-up of the second design that just went down, but this is what we came up with. And I don't know, I think it weighs too much. Well, throw it on your head and have a session. Good. I hate when ideas don't work. Oh, I got my bar mount. I'm gonna put it on your bike. Let's try that. Let's do that. Alright, well, this part of the edit didn't work, but we're still going to get going with the fusion part and Curtis in the skate park, so fast forward to that.
But that one's gonna be trippy. Definitely gonna get trippy on it.
Guys, the Fusion turned out awesome. Too bad we couldn't get in the air, but stay tuned for part 2.
Most of the time when these people be talking, I don't even hear them. They talk, but I do not hear shit when I'm near them.